Hello everyone. So welcome to Vet It's You YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So first of all, I would like to congratulate all the aspirants of the NEET for their marvelous and wonderful performance. So in this video, we will discuss about the documents to be uploaded at the time of registration for the online counseling for Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry undergraduate program at IVRI Indian Veterinary Research Institute. So the list of document is are as follows. So first of all, the candidate should upload the following documents in JPG or JPEG format only, no PDFs allowed. At the time of the online registration for online counseling, failing which they shall not be allowed to take part in the online counseling for the admission. So the first document is the passport size color photograph, same as for the online application form in the NEET UG 2020. Signature of the candidate in the JPG format. Now next one is the admit card of the NEET UG 2020 examination, rank card of the NEET UG 2020 examination, Aadhaar card of the candidate, any other identity card like voter ID card, ration card, passport, etc. Date of the birth, if secondary school, high school examination certificate doesn't have the same, then upload the birth certificate. If secondary school, high school examination certificate has same, then upload it. Don't upload the birth certificate. Next one is the secondary school, high school examination or equivalent certificate, secondary school or you can say high school examination mark list, intermediate 10 plus 2 mark sheet, qualifying examination mark sheet, intermediate 10 plus 2 certificate or provisional certificate. Provisional certificate is permissible for those candidates who have passed in the year 2020 only. Character certificate from the school or the college last attended. So let me make the two things very clear for all the candidates uploading the documents for the online counseling for the admission under Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry at IVRI. If any of the candidate is unable to present all the mentioned document here, will not be allowed to take part in the online counseling for the admission. The second thing is that under section 7 it is mentioned that date of birth certificate, if secondary school, it means high school examination certificate doesn't have the same date of birth, then upload the birth certificate. And if the secondary school, it means high school examination certificate has the same, then upload it. तो सिंपली अगर आपकी हाई स्कूल की मार्कशीट में सेम डेट ऑफ बर्थ है तो आप अपनी हाई स्कूल की मार्कशीट को वहां पे अपलोड कर सकते हो, अगर नहीं है तो आप बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट अपलोड कर सकते हो. सो दीज आर द टू इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स यू शुड रिमेंबर और कीप इन माइंड व्हाइल अपलोडिंग द डॉक्यूमेंट्स फॉर द ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन और यू कैन से ऑनलाइन काउंसलिंग. So the next important thing is that the candidate should also upload the following certificates if applicable. The first one is that SC and ST certificate as per the format given in the Annexure 1 of the Information Bulletin issued by the competent authority and should be in English or Hindi only. If it is in regional language, then it should be translated in the English and Hindi and should be attached by the Class 1 gazetted officer. Subcaste should be clearly mentioned in the certificate. Now the second one is that OBC certificate as per the format given in the Annexure 2 of the Information Bulletin issued by the competent authority and should be in English or Hindi only. If it is in regional language, then it should be translated in English or Hindi and should be attached by the Class 1 gazetted officer. The subcard should tally with the central list of OBC, and OBC candidates should not belong to the creamy layer and should provide an undertaking in this regard as per the format given in the Annexure 3 of the Information Bulletin. The third document is that the income and the asset certificate by EWS, economical weaker section, for general category candidates only, as per the format given in the annexure 4 of the information bulletin, and should be issued by the competent authority and should be in English or Hindi only. The next one is that the certificate of locomotor disability, as per the annexure 5 of the information bulletin, the disability should be certified by a duly constituted and authorized medical board comprising of at least 3 specialists, out of which 2 should be of the specialty concerned, and the candidate has to present him or herself before the medical board. The last valid disability certificate of the candidate from the medical board should not be more than 3 months old from the date of submitting his or her certificate for the disabled category during the online counseling for the admissions. So I hope that the queries related to the documents to be uploaded while online registration for the admission is now quite clear, and if you found any queries, you can leave your comment in the comment section, and I will also leave the information bulletin link where you can find different annexure format in the description box below. So I hope you like the video. So please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel VET It's You. Thanks for the watching, an initiative by Ankit Kaushik.